Turning your engine 32V27 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken, very nice. Same as well the alternator here. Didn't see any damages from outside. And diesel pump inside here also good, no problem. Gearbox from this side is good. On top, all the socket is looking good, no damage, no broken. And the turbo from outside here is good. All the socket sensor is here, no problem. And the turbo fan here is good, spin very nice, no problem. And it's no up and down. Down here the oil sump, gearbox good as well, no damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.